If you're looking to increase sperm volume or improve overall reproductive health, here are some scientifically backed insights based on your listed points. Hey, remember to save this video before it vanishes. Understanding your body is key. Sperm production occurs in the testes, and the prostate and seminal vesicles play roles in semen volume. Healthy function of these structures is essential. Make absolutely sure there are no structural obstruction. On men's urethral structure, any physical blockages can reduce semen volume. Conditions like strictures, narrowing of the urethra, or blockages in the vas deferens might require medical evaluation. Always check your medicine. Some medications, e.g., antihistamines, antidepressants, or hormone treatments, can impact sperm production and ejaculation. Speak with a doctor if you suspect your medication might be a factor. Also, drink your water. Staying hydrated supports overall health, including the quality and volume of semen. Aim for at least 8 glasses, 2 liters of water daily. What about zinc? Got zinc? Zinc is critical for testosterone production and sperm health. Foods like oysters, nuts, seeds, and legumes are rich in zinc. Supplements can help if dietary intake is insufficient. Oh yes, your prostate supplements are necessary. Supplements containing ingredients like saw palmetto, beta-sitosterol, or pygium may support prostate health and improve semen production. Ensure these supplements are from reputable sources. All those Kegel exercises for men you have been putting off. Strengthening the pelvic floor muscles can improve ejaculation control and semen expulsion force. Perform Kegels by contracting the muscles you use to stop urination for 5 seconds, then releasing. Repeat 10-20 times daily. Practice good prostate massages. Gentle prostate massages may stimulate the prostate gland, enhancing semen production and release. This should be done carefully or by a trained professional. Other tips. Healthy diet. Antioxidant-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and nuts can protect sperm from damage. Exercise. Regular physical activity boosts overall health, including reproductive health. Stress management. Chronic stress can impact sperm production. Consider mindfulness or therapy to manage stress. If you have underlying health concerns or symptoms like pain, blood in the semen, or significantly low volume, consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. What are your thoughts about the quantity of your sperm production? Say it on our comments section.